If you want to withdraw money from Whop, this video will walk you through the full payout setup step by step so you can get verified and access your funds safely. I'll show you exactly where to go in your Whop dashboard, what information you need ready, and what happens after you submit your verification. If this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple software walkthroughs. Alright, let's get into it. First, log in to your Whop dashboard. Once you're inside, look at the left-hand menu and click on Balances. This is where Whop keeps everything related to your available funds, payouts, and account balance. On the left side of the screen, you should see your total balance. Take a moment to confirm the amount you're working with, just so you know what you'll be withdrawing later. Now look over to the right side of the page. Under the options for Deposit, Withdraw, and Move, click Withdraw. When you do that, Whop will open the Activate Payouts menu. This is the setup screen that allows you to complete the required verification before withdrawals become available. If you don't see the normal payout options yet, that's because the account still needs to be activated for payouts first. The next part is important because Whop has to verify your identity before letting you move money out. This is a standard financial security step, and it helps make sure the account belongs to you. In the first section, you'll see a prompt that says something like, "Tell us about yourself." Here, fill in all the requested personal details carefully. You'll need to enter your legal name, your business type, your phone number, and your physical address. Make sure everything matches your real information exactly, because mismatched details can delay approval. After filling that out, click Continue. Before moving on, get your ID document ready. You'll need a valid, physical, government-issued photo ID, such as a driver's license or passport. Make sure it's not expired, the image is clear, and the details are easy to read. It also helps to do this in a well-lit area so the scanning process goes more smoothly. Now comes the mobile verification step. On your desktop screen, you'll see a QR code. Use your smartphone camera to scan that code. This will safely transfer the verification process from your computer to your phone, where you can complete the ID scan and liveness check more easily. Once the QR code opens on your phone, follow the instructions on the mobile screen exactly. First, you'll be asked to take a clear photo of your identity document. Hold your ID steady. Keep it inside the frame and make sure the lighting is good enough for the camera to capture every detail. After that, you'll complete the liveness check. This usually means looking directly into your front camera and following simple movement prompts, so the system can confirm that you're a real person and not a recording. Stay still, follow each instruction, and don't rush through it. After that, review your personal details one more time and submit everything. Once you hit Submit, Whop's system will automatically review your information. In many cases, approval only takes a few minutes, but sometimes it can take a couple of hours depending on the verification queue. So if you don't see instant approval, don't panic. Just give it a little time and check back shortly. As soon as your verification goes through, the Activate Payouts section will turn into your normal withdrawal dashboard. At that point, you'll be able to link your bank details and start transferring your money out of Whop. That means the roadblock is gone, and your payout options should now be unlocked. And that's it. You've now learned how to withdraw money from Whop by accessing the Balances page, activating payouts, completing identity verification, and waiting for approval. If this video helped, please give us a like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.